School Carnival. Rico's class went to the school carnival today. It was a lot of fun. Rico won 2 prizes. He won a blue balloon and a toy car. He had a great time with all of his friends. First, he played a few games. Then he got popcorn and lemonade with his friends. Finally, he got to watch a magic show. Rico can't wait to get home and tell his parents all about his fun day. Number 1. Where did Rico's class go? Rico's class went to the school carnival. Number 2. What did Rico win? Rico won 2 prizes. He won a blue balloon and a toy car. Number 3. What did he do first? First, he played a few games. Number 4. What did Rico eat at the carnival? Rico ate popcorn and lemonade.